So after 50 days of suspension of all passenger services, you've got the Indian Railways now planning to gradually restart operations, particularly passenger train operations from Tuesday. The services will resume initially with 15 trains kicking off. These trains will run as special trains from the New Delhi station, connecting 15 important cities. This includes Patna, Ranchi, Bhubaneswar, Bengaluru, Chennai, Thiruvananthapuram, Mumbai Central and Ahmedabad. Only AC coaches will be used. Bookings for these trains will only happen via the IRCTC website or the mobile app, and it will open at 4 p.m. today. It will be mandatory for passengers to wear face cover and undergo screening at departure. Only asymptomatic passengers will be allowed to travel. In also what appears to be a hint at starting also domestic flight services after passenger trains, you have Civil Aviation Minister Hardeep Singh Puri tweeting, and in fact he tweeted a photo of people in a plane cabin with masks as well as face shields. The picture belongs to airplanes in which the government has been in fact bringing back Indians who are stranded abroad due to the coronavirus pandemic. The Civil Aviation Minister in his tweet said that the times are changing and scenes of people with masks at airports is now a new normal. Puri also echoed a line from famous singer Bob Dylan's song, "The times they are changing."
When will you resume domestic commercial operations? When will I be able to travel to Mumbai to meet my mother or go to my hometown in Goa? When do you expect commercial private airlines to start operations within India?
Rajdeep, I want to be as optimistic I can be. My answer to you, the one I want to give, is sooner rather than later. But I will qualify that by saying we will do it at the earliest, depending on the behavior of the virus, because we must be ready then also to open up rail traffic, to open up other forms of domestic traffic. And it also depends on, surely we cannot conduct air operations between two red zones. So we'll see how it operates. But I'm hoping within the next week or 10 days, we will get clarity on that. And then, as I keep saying, in terms of public statement, those decisions remain to be taken.
No, but could you do a green zone to green zone? You can't do it between two red zones. Could you do a green zone to green zone? If trains have started moving, taking migrant workers back to their home, why can't flights do it?
Well, there is one possibility which I heard somebody on one of your shows suggesting that. We are willing to consider any possibilities. But as it says, it has to be, even when you carry out that facility, it will have to be a paid service. Because the gentleman who was offering you that suggestion on your show will not want to run a pro bono service. So we will look at all this in the coming days, depending on our experience with what we have ongoing.
Hello everyone, this is Rahul Kamal here. Hope you enjoyed this video. For the latest news and analysis, like and subscribe the India Today YouTube channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated.